Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, we're doing a series. We're doing a decluttering and organization of, this time we're doing primers. Girl, I don't even like primers, but that didn't stop me from purchasing them. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, yes ma'am. For the person who doesn't even wear primer, okay, we're in trouble here. I am so glad I'm doing this declutter. So let's just dive in. Is this really a primer? No, this is not really a primer, but I love to keep it in my primer drawer. This is the L'Oreal Beach Bay Face and Body Luminizer. I mean, look how pretty this is. I have it in here because I do like to sometimes put this underneath my makeup. Look at that, how beautiful that is. So yes, okay, fine. It's not a primer, but I like it. I think it smells. Hold on. All right, listen. It does smell. It smells sour. You know, like, hello, you've had this way too long. So unfortunately, I am going to declutter this, but I definitely want to buy it again. This is in light medium. So yep. Yeah, it smells, you know, that sour smell, girl, like it's time to go. It's time to go. So I'm definitely, yeah, darn it, daggone it. Okay, I have my window open, so yeah, it's going to be a lot of noise. This, of course, as I dusted off the dust, this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Yeah, I love this primer. It's barely been touched because, you know, girl, I'm not really a primary girl, but look, I have a pretty good dent in there. This is so beautiful. Hold up, let me smell it. Nope, it's still good. So smooth. I mean, oof. This is a great one. This is a great one. I love this one. So this is definitely a keeper. Now, I know this is like an equivalent right over here-ish. I will tell you this. I've had this for years. This is the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. Again, I think this is the dupe. I'm not really sure. I mean, I'm going to try and come super. Look at that. It's discolored. It's discolored. It's discolored. I'm definitely going to. Yeah, girl. Look at that. Stop it. Stop the lies that you're saying. I really love this primer when I use primer, but I've had it for years. This is definitely going to be a declutter, and only because I've had it for quite some time. And honestly, now that this one came out and it's so inexpensive, oof, I'm going to say it. Why do I really need to get the Tarte? The e.l.f. does the same thing. Now this Tatcha Deliciousness, this is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Filter Finish. It is beautiful. Again, like, girl, look how, I don't know what the hell I got in here. There's like a little dust in there. You see that? But no, hell no, I'm going to definitely keep this one. I think all three of these give the same finish, the e.l.f., the Tarte, and the Tatcha, but, you know, I mean, I really should throw it away. Let me hold it. Halt. Let me smell. Nope, smells like nothing. I'm keeping it. So, but this is beautiful. Again, I really do feel that the Tatcha, the e.l.f., and the Tarte gives you that same kind of like silicone slip to it. They're all great. Really, the e.l.f. is so much cheaper, but I'm definitely going to keep that. Hell no. This is one of my newer primers that I have been wearing a lot lately. I saw this on Ann P's channel. So she used this High-Gen Energizing Hydrating Primer Serum with just concealer, the Natasha Denona Concealer, and she just mixed it in her face. She used it as a primer. She used it alone. She used it underneath foundation. It is so beautiful. So I really have been enjoying this. You know, it's a little bit pricey, but it has been working. Look at that beautiful pearlescent kind of look. Isn't that so gorgeous? And look how it looks. I don't know if this light, ooh, I don't know if that light's going to do it justice, but look how beautiful that is. It is so beautiful. It feels so nice. It's beautiful. It seeps right into the skin. Look how beautiful that is, right? Definitely keeping this. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, girl, but why? This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus dewy primer. I can't even remember the last time I used it. I mean, girl, are you serious right now? Shame, shame, shame. Although it is beautiful though. Hold up. Hold it. That is pretty though. Look at that. Okay, hold. If you haven't noticed, I love a dewy look on my face. I am 55 years old. A little bit drier now that we're getting into the winter months. So I really do like a little dewiness of a base. Can I put this in the maybe pile? It does say new, right? I don't know. It does say new. Let's put this in the maybe pile. So we're going to put this one right over there. Girl, I don't even know if I ever used this. This is the Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer. You got some nerve, girl. Okay, I did use it. Let me just wipe this off because I don't want to mix the finishes. I love the Dior Backstage Foundation. I use that one almost every, whoops. Ooh, that is pretty though. I use that one almost every, wow, this is gorgeous. My God, this feels more of like a lotion. That's beautiful. Okay. And it smells pretty nice. I'm definitely going to keep that because like I said, it is fairly new. It is fairly new. That's all I'm saying. And I don't even remember if I ever used it. So I'm doing that. Love this. Love, love, love. This is the L'Oreal True Match Gloomy Glow Lotion. And this is in 902. It says light glow. This could be one that smells too. Hold up. Let's see here. Okay. I don't think it smells that bad, but look how beautiful. Oof. Ooh, ooh. That is so, so pretty. This is definitely a keeper. You know what I think I'm going to do now that we're thinking about it? I don't think, maybe I won't repurchase this because this and this kind of looks the same on the skin. And this smells so bad. I've had it so long. Look at that. I barely used it, but I may not repurchase this, but this is definitely a keeper. And I think it does the same thing in my opinion. Love the Rare Beauty. This is the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. Again, it's all these nice, delicious, illuminating deliciousness. Look how beautiful this pearlescent. I think for me personally, I'm not talking for anybody else. I'm not even talking for 50-year-olds, 40-year-olds plus, whatever. I'm just talking about me personally. I love a luminous base. Isn't that so beautiful? So if by chance you have like a foundation that's a little bit too matte for you and you have this on as your base, oof, look how beautiful that looks. So that's definitely a keeper. And this mimicked this. This is the Say. It was this one, whoops, and the, is this the Hourglass? No, this is the Becca. So, of course, I've had this the longest. It probably expired, but whatever. We're not talking about expiration dates. We're not talking about expiration dates. But, of course, this was the OG. And then, of course, I got the Rare Beauty. And this is a recent purchase, probably within the year. But this is so beautiful. So, like I said, this has been the OG. Same thing. Look how beautiful. Oh, my God. Look at these little specks. Same thing. Look how beautiful. Ooh, that is so, so pretty. I have some nerve doing videos. It's like 6:30 at night, but I haven't had the time to really get myself together. So you see all these shadows, but that's okay, girl. We're not professional here. We're just family. Here we are, the Say Beauty. This is the Say Beauty Glow in Star Glow. Girl, do you see the trend here? Do you see the trend? That is gorgeous. Look, these are, oh, P.S. Those are all keeps, by the way. Look how beautiful. Now you should do a declutter of the declutter that you're keeping because they all look so much alike. So that's a keeper. This Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, I think I'm going to tell you it smells to high heaven. Let's see. Oh! Did you see that? Did you see that? It does look pretty. I don't even know where the hell that shot. Oh, wow. All over my floor. All over my floor. Yikes. What should I do? You think I should keep it? This is one of the ones that is not luminous, but it feels like a nice lotion. No, God, Heavenly Father, absolutely not. It smells so friggin' bad. This is a declutter only because I've had it for so long. Now, this one over here is the Hourglass, the Veil Mineral Primer. Again, girl, I just grabbed like a trial because I'm not really a primer kind of girl, but everybody was talking about it. So I said, let me try it. And again, it's nice. Nothing earth-shattering. But again, I am not a primer professional. Don't ask me. Don't ask me in your professional opinion. How the hell am I supposed to know? Because I'm not really a primary girl. But this is beautiful though, right? This feels like a nice lotion and it sits down and dries. Look how pretty. And it dries down like a legit normal base. It's not shimmery, it's not glowy, it's not luminous. That's pretty. That's definitely a keeper. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why people are loving it. Okay, this is the Becca. I have no idea. Backlight filter. This I'm going to have to throw it because I've had it for years. Hello, the OG. This is the Benefit Professional Pore Primer. Again, I've had this for, whoops. I've had this forever. I may just have to declutter it because I've had it. Is it even going to come out? I'm scared it's going to pop. Oh, there it is. No, I think I have to toss. This is beautiful. This has like more of like a skin tone tint to it, if you will. Does it smell? No, I'm going to keep it. And I will tell you, I know it's old as hell. I know this is old as dust, but I'm going to keep it. It's an OG. I have to. I have to. This Smashbox, look, these are all like little testers. I could keep the testers, right? Come on, I could keep the testers. I don't even know anything about this one. I know it's super popular, of course, but like I said, I grabbed some of these, just these. Okay, that feels really, really nice. Look at that. Don't mind my dry skin. All the veins in my hands, but this is nice. I'm going to keep that one. I don't think this belongs in here. This is what? This is a hydrating oil. That doesn't belong here. And is this the same thing? Oh, no, I take it all back. This is an eye primer. Whoop, we'll take that back. Okay, cool. So that is it for one of these, thank God. This is the Hard Candy Primer. I can tell you right now, I don't like this. I don't like any kind of grippy, sticky stuff on my skin. So this is a definite no. I'm going to definitely declutter that. This is so friggin' dark, girl. Where are you going? This is in medium. This is the Maybelline Instant Rewind Perfecta, the 4-in-1 Glow Makeup Primer, Concealer, Highlighter. So, so beautiful. This is one of, hello, boyfriend. Look how pretty that is. I mean, you know what? In here, it looks so dark, but on the skin, not really, right? It looks nice. This is definitely a keeper. Does it smell? No, it smells okay. So that's a keeper. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I mean, hello. I don't know. It does feel good, though. It feels really, really good. Frig it. Let me keep it. Okay, this is the Pore Deactivation, the JOA. Wasn't a fan of this, so I'm definitely going to toss this one. This one was that the Maybelline Master Stick. I mean, I like it. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to stop right there. I haven't used it enough to say yay or nay, but as I'm putting it on my skin, oof, it feels so good. I love like that silicone slip. So that feels super good. So I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep that. Look, we did... Here's another e.l.f. This is the Poreless Face Primer. What the hell was the other one? What did I do with it? Am I crazy? Oh, here it is. What was this one? So this is, oh, the Hydrating and the Poreless. I'll keep them both. How about this? Since I have all this, why don't you just start wearing primer? Of course, this is the brand new Liquid Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. This is the liquid version of this. I really like this. Again, I just got a sample size because I really wasn't sure. Because you don't wear primer, girl. Why you lying to the people? But it is really, really nice. And then last but not least, this, yeah, again, plump right back with electrolytes. Plumping, this is from NYX. I mean, maybe I'll give it to the girls. I have one primer in my maybe pile. Maybe I'll put this one too. What do you guys think? I'll put it in the maybe pile. It is pretty though, right? Girl, I don't know. I don't know what pretty is in the primer, but it is pretty. As long as it's not gripping. I do not like that gripping feeling at all. At all. So anyway, so these right over here are going to be the declutters. Right? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So we're going to declutter these. And then, of course, all these. And then, of course, all these we're keeping. All these we're keeping. And then, of course, these two is a maybe. So let me think about these two. So anyway, so that is that for the decluttering. I think I did a good job. Now, let's organize it. Okay, so again, this is where I have all my makeup. Look at that. Girl, you have got to fix that. But anyway, so over here are my primers and the concealers. You know, we did the concealers last time, and they are still pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these two in right over here. I think that works out pretty good, right? There's some space back there, but that's for like extra stuff, I guess. Maybe I'll turn this around this way so I have, whoops, so the lip won't, yeah, I think that's pretty good right over there, right? Okay, so let's start organizing this. Okay, so maybe we will do like these squeezy bottles right in here. Maybe like these little ones, maybe back here. Use these big ones. We'll put these big ones right over here on this side. We'll put this here. Does that close? Ooh, yes, but I don't want it to roll like that. So maybe I will do that. And I have like this little thing right back here. Of course, I can't get out now, but I have this. It's just got little, little samples of things, oils. What the heck is this? A little bit of some little samples here. Maybe I'll put that back here so this won't slide. Like when I shut it, this rolls. So, I don't think I like that. Or, you know what I think I'll do? Maybe, I really like this over here. I'm gonna leave this over here, put this, because it fits nicely. That, but is it still gonna roll? Yep. Does this lay flat? It does. Aha! Never mind. Why? You know what I could do? Does this fit in here? All right, well, this is okay for now. We'll just leave it like this for now. And yeah, so that is it. So this is my decluttering and organizing of my primers. Girl, that you don't even wear. Just saying. Okay guys, so that is it. That is my video. I didn't do too bad. That is my video on decluttering and organizing my primers. Maybe I'll get into it more. I'm not really sure. But anyway, so that is it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.